In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record screen on Discord Mobile. This is quick and straightforward because you'll be using your phone's built-in screen recorder. Discord on mobile doesn't include a dedicated recorder, so the easiest way to capture what's happening in the app is to use the tool that's already on your device. First, find your device's control center or quick settings. This is the panel that appears when you swipe down from the top of your screen. On many phones, a single swipe opens notifications, and a second swipe reveals quick settings. On others, everything appears at once. You're looking for the tile or icon labeled Screen Recorder. It may look like a solid dot inside a circle, a small camera-like symbol, or simply say Screen Record. Because manufacturers style this differently, the exact name and icon can vary, but it's almost always in that quick settings area. Once you've located it, tap the screen recorder to begin. Most devices show a brief countdown before recording starts, which gives you a second to get ready. You might also see a small on-screen indicator so you know the recorder is active. If your phone shows a prompt or brief message, that's normal. It's just confirming that the screen will be captured. With the recorder running, switch over to the Discord app. Everything you do now, navigating servers, opening chats, viewing channels, or showing your settings, will be recorded exactly as you see it on your screen. This is perfect for walking someone through a setup, demonstrating features, or capturing a clip of your mobile Discord experience. Keep in mind that screen recording captures what's on your display, including notifications or other pop-ups. If you want a clean recording, make sure your screen is clear and that only the content you want to show is visible while you're in Discord. Also, a quick note. Longer recordings take up more storage space, so it's a good idea to keep an eye on available space if you plan to record for a while. When you're done capturing your Discord activity, your device will save the clip to your photo gallery or Files app, typically in a folder named Screen Recordings or a similar label. From there, you can watch it back, trim the ends if needed, and share it wherever you like. And that's all there is to it. Use your phone's built-in recorder, start it from the control center or quick settings, open Discord, and you're set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you record your screen on Discord Mobile with confidence.